Welcome to Amatip IT JavaScript tutorial on objects and arrays. Today, we will explore the fundamental concepts of working with objects in JavaScript. First, let's understand what an object is in the context of programming. An object is a collection of key value pairs that represent related data and functionality. In JavaScript, objects can be created using object literals or by using the new object syntax. To access the values of an object, we use dot notation or square bracket notation. Objects in JavaScript are mutable, which means we can add, modify, or delete properties at any time. Arrays, on the other hand, are a special type of object that store multiple values in a single variable. To access elements in an array, we use their index starting from 0. JavaScript arrays have several built-in methods to manipulate the data they contain. With arrays, we can add elements, remove elements, or modify existing elements easily. Both objects and arrays are widely used in JavaScript to structure and organize data. We can also nest objects and arrays within each other to create more complex data structures. To iterate over the properties of an object, we can use a for in loop or the object keys method. Similarly, we can use loops like for, of, or for each to iterate over the elements of an array. In JavaScript, objects and arrays are passed by reference, which means changes made to them will affect the original variable. To make a copy of an object or array without modifying the original, we can use methods like object, assign, or the spread operator. Objects and arrays are essential concepts in JavaScript, and mastering them will greatly enhance your coding skills. That's it for our introduction to objects and arrays in JavaScript. Thank you for watching this tutorial by Amatip IT, and stay tuned for more helpful videos.